Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor stuck on orange light. Also, exit your standby, change your input and hard reset it. Fix 1. Check the video cable. Make sure the HDMI, DisplayPort or USB-C cable is firmly connected. Try unplugging and reconnecting both the ends. If possible, test with a different cable. Fix 2. Verify the input source. Open the monitor's OSD menu, go to Input Source and select the correct input, whether it's HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, etc. Fix 3. Restart the monitor and the PC. Turn off the monitor and computer. Unplug the monitor's power cable for 1 minute. Plug everything back in and power on the PC first, then the monitor. Fix 4. Test another device. Connect the monitor to a different PC, laptop, or any gaming console. If the display works, the issue is likely with the original device. Fix 5. Check the graphics card. Ensure the cable is connected to the graphics card and not to the motherboard if your PC has a dedicated GPU. Reset the graphics card if you are comfortable working inside the PC. Fix 6. Reset the monitor. Open the OSD menu and select Settings, then go to Reset. If you can't access the menu, unplug the monitor for a few minutes and try again. Fix 7. Update your graphics driver. Install the latest CPU drivers from your graphics card manufacturer. Restart your computer after updating. Fix 8. Check for hardware issues. If the monitor remains stuck on an orange light with multiple devices and cables, there may be a hardware fault requiring service. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also to hit the subscribe button.